Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the project overview of Fortune 7 located in Sarjapur, Bangalore and a project developed by Fortune Group. And right now I'm standing in front of the marketing office about the main entrance which is right over here. So the land parcel starts from here and goes up to 11 acres. Now in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, ultimately which is going to result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. And our project is spread across 11 acre of land parcel consisting of 4 towers, with each tower of 3 basement ground plus 41 floor, offering you 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now about the location part, and our project is located bang on Sarjapur Attibele Road in Sarjapur, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project. So basically this is the Sarjapur Attibele Road. The road back and side will take you towards Sarjapur and the opposite side road will connect you towards Attibele. Now we'll be discussing about the further connectivity part. So you can connect to Azim Premji University in 1.3 kilometers. Sarjapur Circle is 1.5 kilometers away and D-Mart is 1.8 kilometers. Coming to the amenities part, and the project offers you world-class amenities like of a grand clubhouse with all the indoor amenities, pets park, football ground, cricket pitch, here's the kids play area, and even they have few amenities on the connecting bridge. Now let's discuss about the super built-up area, and as mentioned the project offers you 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies, where 2 BHK starts from 1180 square feet and goes up to 1199 square feet. 3 BHK is 1383 square feet and goes up to 1840 square feet. 4 BHK is 1912 square feet to 2086 square feet super built-up area. Now about the booking process, and our project booking window is operational right now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of Fortune 7 by Fortune Group located in Sarjapur, Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.